Hello guys, here is Marie's stick here, and here is Litchfield's whelen. I filmed this one back in December. We just drove past it. But here it is. Gets tested for tornado. There's one by the fire station and one when you get into town. But they got quite a few more. I don't know what sirens there were before these, but I know at the fire station there was a thunderbolt. And if you guys want to check that out, just type in Litchfield Illinois Fire Department and you'll see the Thunderbolt 1003. I don't know if it was there when I was born, but I just found a picture of it online and there it was. But yeah, pretty impressive siren. It's a whelen. And it's a pretty impressive siren. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. Peace.